first question they asked to find out the degree of the polynomial. Here the degree of the polynomial we have to check. But in the what the question they give once we have to check. P of x equal to root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2 they give. But we didn't have the root 2 here. The degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial of x variable is so false because the highest power of the variable is 2 here. Variable how much? Here 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. So second question what they asked? In second question they asked the coefficient of x square polynomial. X square coefficient they ask. Here x square coefficient what they gave in the question? It is 2 they gave. So this statement is false. False because x square coefficient is minus 4. See third question what they asked, the degree of a constant term is 0. The degree of a constant term is 0, they ask. Constant term is degree is 0. So this statement is true because the constant term is the variable by its power is 0. See now here, suppose if you take this example, 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7. See, this is a polynomial now here. See, what they ask in the question, see now, the degree of a constant term is 0. The degree of a constant term. The constant term here, what is there? 7 is there. If you wrote the x power 0, what will get? X power 0 equal to 1. If you take any variable with power 0, we will get 1. 7 into 1, that equals to 7. So again we will get the constant term only, no? So what they ask in the question, it is statement is true. Because the constant term in the variable by its power is 0. If you want example means write down here example also. If you take any example, p of x equal to 4x plus 3 equal 3. So here what is the constant term? Constant term is 3. If you write x power 0 in the constant term, x power 0 means any variable if you take that power degree 0 means it will come as an 1. A power 0 equal to 1, B power 0 equal to 1, C power 0 equal to 1. If you take any variable with degree x power, degree power 0, we will get only the 1. So 3 into x power 0. X power 0 means 1. So again we will get the constant term. So our statement is true. Constant term in the variable by its power is 0. Next, fourth question, what they ask, see, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. We have to check that one is a quadratic polynomial or not. So, in a polynomial, we didn't have the numerator by denominator. If the polynomial 1 means we have only the numerator. We don't want to the numerator, denominator. So, here numerator by denominator they give. So, it is not a polynomial first. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So is a quadratic equation, a quadratic polynomial they ask in the question. So here x square here variable with degree x is with degree 2 is there, means you will think that it is a polynomial, but it is not a polynomial. So numerator by denominator, it won't be accept for the polynomial. Only the numerator will accept the polynomials. So this statement is false. X square minus 5x plus 6. It is means it is correct. So here they gave in the question it is a quadratic polynomial. Here degree 2 is there. So this statement is true. Here why? Because only the numerator is there. Denominator is not there. But in the given problem, what they ask 1 by x square they gave. Numerator by denominator is not there in the polynomial. Next, fifth question, what they ask? The degree of a polynomial is more than the number of the terms in it. Degree of a polynomial is more than the number of terms. Number of terms, we have to check once. Here, see, one example I will write. Take this example only. So here, what is the degree of the polynomial here? The degree of the polynomial is here 4. Degree of the polynomial is polynomial is 4. But when we check the expression, this expression it comes as an what? Which expression it will come? This is an a linear equation will come. So the here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 2 terms are there. So when we check the degree according to the types, it will become as an a biquadratic polynomial will come. When we check the number of degrees here, how many number of terms if you check means here how many number of terms are there? 1, 2. Number of terms is 2. So the degree ki terms ki equal leru. What they ask in the question, see, the degree of a polynomial is more than the number of terms in it. More than number of terms, it is false. So we had to write false. False because the degree of a polynomial is the highest degree of the terms in the polynomial. Don't confuse for the number of terms in a types of a polynomial and types of a polynomial according to the degree. Degree is different and term is different. Terms mean number of terms means we have to check the expression. In expression, how many terms are there? We have how many terms are there? We have to check. Degree types of polynomials according to the degree means we have to check the degree power. In variables, how much power is the highest power? Which one is there a lowest power? Suppose if any, it depends upon the degree. Next, third question, what they ask? If P of t equals to t cube minus 1, then find the values of P of 1, P of minus 1, comma P of 0, comma P of 2, comma P of minus 2 they ask. Yes or no? In yesterday class we did when we are substituting what the x value they gave, but here they gave as an P of t. Here variable what they gave? In variable t they gave. Given P of t equals to t cube minus 1. T cube minus 1. Then if you stop, what they gave in the question P of 1, P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of minus 2, P of 2, P of minus 2. So if you substitute, if t equal to 1, if you substitute, if t equals to 1, then P of 1 equals to 1 cube minus 1. That equal to 1 minus 1. That equal to 0. Next, second one, what they are? If t equal to minus 1, then P of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 1. See, here in power, what are there? Here 3 is there with the sign minus 1. So here power we will get as an odd number. Our sign will be a minus 1. If power is 2, if the powers are even numbers, we will get the plus values. In the power, we have to check what they gave t minus 1 whole cube here. Cube means we will get minus 1. See, suppose minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus, what will get? Plus. Plus into minus, again we will get minus. So, minus 1, minus 1. That equal to minus 2. So, no need to write this all. When we check here, degree, what here is there? Power 3 is there. When we get odd numbers, we have to write with the sign negative. If even number is there, we will get plus. Next, if t equal to 0, if you substitute t equal to 0, If t equal to 0, then p of 0 equal to 0 cube means what we'll get? 0 only will get. 0 minus 1, that equal to minus 1. Next, like that only. If t equals to 2, if t equal to 2, then p of 2 equals to 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means how much we will get? 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Next, if t equal to minus 2, then p of minus 2. See here, cube 3 is there. So here sign what is there? Minus. So we have tried directly minus 2 cube means 8. 8 minus 1. Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. What the expression we have given in the question we have to check, and what the we have to substitute one by one. P of 1, t equal to 1, t equal to minus 1, t equal to 0, t equal to 2, t equal to minus 2. Fourth problem I will say. Fifth problem you only try it and show it. Fourth question what they ask? Check whether minus 2 and 2 or 0 of a polynomial. We have to check minus 2 and 2 are the 0 of the polynomials or not. What the expression they gave? X power 4 minus 16. Check whether we have to check that given we have to check what the values we have to check minus 2 and 2. If we will get the 0 of a polynomial or not. 0 of the polynomial means we want to get P of k equal to 0. So we have to equal to 0. What they gave in the question, let P of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. If x equal to 2 minus 2 they give. X equal to minus 2. Then P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. See here power it is in even number it is there. Here power even number means sign what will come? Plus will come. 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times we have to write. 4 times means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos 4. 4 twos 8. 8 twos 16. 16 minus 16. So plus 16 minus 16 it becomes as a 0. So x equal to minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x. Next second one we have to check. Again what they gave in the question? 2 we have to check. If x equal to 2, then P of minus 2 whole power 4 equal to minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. So it is a even number. 4 it is a even number. So even number means directly we will write 16 minus 16 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 is a